Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel an invoice on PayPal if you need to remove an invoice that you no longer want to keep active. This can be useful if you created an invoice by mistake, sent it to the wrong customer, entered the wrong amount, or simply no longer need to request that payment. The process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace, even if you have not used the invoice section before. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and make sure you're on the main account dashboard. It is always a good idea to check that you are logged into the correct PayPal account, especially if you manage more than one business or personal account. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This will take you into your account settings and business tools area, where you can access invoice-related options and other tools connected to payments, sales, and business activity. After opening that section, find and select Seller Tools. This is where PayPal groups together several features designed for selling payments and invoicing. These tools are helpful for business owners, freelancers, service providers, and anyone who sends payment requests to customers. Inside Seller Tools, click on Invoices. That will open the area where your existing invoices are stored, including drafts, sent invoices, and other invoice records depending on your account activity. If you use invoices often, this section can help you keep track of what has been sent, what is still unpaid, and what may need to be updated or removed. Now, take a moment to locate the specific invoice you want to cancel. It's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct one before making any changes, especially if you have several invoices that look similar. You may want to check the customer name, invoice number, payment amount, date, and invoice status before moving forward. This is important because deleting or canceling the wrong invoice could create confusion for you or your customer. Once you've found the right invoice, click to select it. With the invoice open or highlighted, move to the top right area of the page and click More Actions. This menu contains extra options for managing the invoice. So, it is usually where you will find actions that are not shown directly on the main invoice screen. From that drop-down, choose Delete. This is the option used here to cancel and remove the invoice from your list. If the invoice was created by mistake or is no longer needed, deleting it helps keep your invoice area clean and easier to manage. After you click Delete, PayPal will process that action, and the invoice will no longer remain as an active item. At that point, you're done. One quick tip before deleting any invoice: make sure you won't need it for your records later. If there's any chance you may need the information, it can be helpful to review it first before removing it. For example, if the invoice was connected to a customer conversation, a canceled order, or a service quote, you may want to save the invoice details or take note of the important information before deleting it. Also, PayPal's layout can change slightly over time, so if a button looks a little different, the wording and placement should still be very similar. Sometimes PayPal updates the dashboard design, moves certain menu items, or changes the name of a button slightly, but the general path is usually the same. That's all there is to it. Once you go to the gear icon, open Seller Tools, head into Invoices, choose the invoice, and use More Actions followed by Delete, you've successfully canceled the invoice on PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process quickly and easily. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple PayPal and online payment tutorials, and feel free to check out the next guide if you want to learn more about managing your PayPal account